Hello, young learners. Welcome back to Kids Learner Point, where we explore exciting topics to enhance your knowledge. Today, we're delving into a crucial subject: how to put out a fire. 1. Understanding fire. Before we learn how to put out a fire, let's understand what fire is. Fire needs three things to burn: heat, fuel, and oxygen. This combination is known as the fire triangle. Can you imagine a way to break this triangle and stop the fire? Stay tuned to find out. 2. Stop, drop, and roll. Now, let's talk about what to do if your clothes catch fire. It's crucial to remember the stop, drop, and roll technique. If your clothes are on fire, stop moving, drop to the ground, and roll back and forth to smother the flames. Practice this with your friends and family to stay safe. 3. Using a fire extinguisher. One effective way to put out a fire is by using a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguishers are labeled with different classes indicating the type of fire they are suitable for. Class A is for ordinary combustibles, Class B for flammable liquids, and Class C for electrical fires. Remember the acronym PASS: pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep when using a fire extinguisher. 4. Water as a firefighter. Water is a superhero when it comes to fighting fires. It cools the fire by absorbing heat and cuts off the oxygen supply. But be cautious. Water should not be used for all types of fires. Never use water on electrical or oil fires as it can be dangerous. Knowing when to use water is just as important as knowing how to use it. 5. Fire blankets. Have you ever heard of a fire blanket? It's like a superhero cape for small fires. Fire blankets are made of fire-resistant materials and can be used to smother a fire. You simply place the blanket over the fire, cutting off the oxygen supply and putting out the flames. Make sure to have one at home for emergencies. 6. Dialing 911. In case of a big fire that you can't control, don't forget to dial 911. Calling for help is a crucial step in fire safety. Know your address and be ready to provide clear information to the emergency services. Stay calm and follow their instructions. 7. Escaping safely. Lastly, let's talk about escaping safely. If there's a fire in your home, have a family escape plan. Practice it regularly so that everyone knows what to do. Remember to stay low to the ground as smoke rises, making the air clearer near the floor. And never use elevators during a fire, always take the stairs. That's it for today's adventure into fire safety, young learners. We hope you enjoyed learning how to put out a fire and that these tips stay with you forever. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to staying safe. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep learning with Kids Learner Point. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Learner Point for more exciting learning adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and keep growing. Goodbye, young learners.